So, how do you purchase new packs in Magic the Gathering Arena? You just click here at the top, get packs, and here at the top you can see the various type of packs that you can see, the various type of editions, and you can buy by clicking here. You can pay it in gems, which are a little bit harder to get, or with gold. This type of packs always have one mythic card, and this type of packs always have at least a gold card, sometimes a mythic. This is a type of deck that is mostly, a type of pack that is for alchemy. You click here, then you click again to confirm the purchase, and that is how you acquire it. If you want to open a pack, you go here, and here you can find all your cards. You click here and you open it, and that is how you get new cards in Magic the Gathering Arena and open your packs.